So in this video, I wanted to show you a cool new feature in Google Sheets that is related to linking between different sheets. So I have a workbook open, and if you look at the bottom of my workbook, you can see that I have a ton of individual sheets within this workbook. Now, sometimes I might want to link to another sheet in the workbook. I did another video that showed you how each sheet has its own custom URL, and you could use that with a regular hyperlink. But what happens is that it opens it in a new tab. Now let's say I just want to navigate to another sheet in my workbook, but I don't want a new tab. I want to stay in the same file. So there's a new feature out that allows you to do this. So what you need to do is select whatever cell that you want to apply the link to. Now you can use link up at the top, or you can right click in the cell and say insert link. Now what this allows you to do is it allows you to link to an entire sheet in this spreadsheet workbook. So if I scroll down, I can see all of my sheets and I can choose which one I want to link to. Just a heads up, if a sheet is hidden, the link won't work. It'll say, hey, you're hidden, so I can't do this. So you'll want to choose something that's not hidden. So here I have groups, and I can see that that one's not hidden, and I'm going to apply that link. So now what will happen is this link is applied, and if I click on it, I will stay in that same window, in that same tab, and it will just move me over to that particular sheet. Very cool. Now another thing that you can do is I'm going to edit this link. I might want to link to a particular range of cells. So maybe I want to go to a sheet and then I want to go to a particular set of cells in that sheet. Now, when you click on your link, say select a range of cells to link. So find that data or type it in if you want. You can do this in the same sheet or move to another sheet. I'm going to go back to that groups tab. I'm going to select these ones down here, and I'm going to say OK. So I'll apply that link. Now I'm going to click on my hyperlink. It will take me to the sheet, and it will take me down to whatever particular range of cells that I link. Again, this is great because it keeps it all in that same window, and you're not having to navigate between different instances of the exact same workbook. That whole link to a range of cells is something that works with full hyperlinks too. So I did another video on this, but while we're talking about linking in sheets, I thought I'd remind you. If you select a group of cells, right click on it, and then you can get link to this range, and that will give you a link on your clipboard that will take you directly to that particular set of cells. It's a different tip from my original link within worksheets, but that's something that might come up while you're making links, and it's something that you'd want to think about using if you are going to send a message to someone and say, hey, check out this piece of data. Now you can send them directly to the right piece of data without having to reference different cells, and it's very helpful to keep you organized. So that is linking within a workbook between different sheets in Google Sheets.